Hello, welcome back to my unrenovated kitchen. We are gonna do a quick clean with me in here. I just went and got groceries. So we're gonna put the groceries away, clean out the fridge, and get the kitchen ready before I start one of my renovations, which is doing the board and batten in the living room. So that will be another video, but let's do a quick clean with me in the kitchen. Thank you so much for coming back to watch yet another video to my 500 subscribers that I have and the 32 people that watch the videos. I appreciate you. So I am just putting away some of the groceries that I just brought in. What a chore. Now, is this a chore that you like to do, or is this a chore that you despise? I know myself, I am not a fan of putting away groceries because there's so much more involved than just grocery shopping, and you have to bring it in, sort through it, go through it, clean out the fridge, then sometimes organize the cupboards and make room for what you just purchased. Now, with that being said, I am very grateful for the groceries that I have. I'm very grateful for being able to afford this food, but it still is a chore. It's one of those chores that, kind of like putting away laundry. It's fine to fold it. You throw it in the washer, throw it in the dryer, easy peasy, fold it up. Putting it away is just one of those chores, right? So anyways, I hope that you enjoy the video and get some cleaning motivation to get your weekend started. If you have seen a few of my recent videos, I'm sure you are well acquainted now with Kota. She will be with me for a majority of this video. She normally doesn't leave my side unless my husband's laying on the couch and she wants to go have a snooze. She will jump up on the couch and snuggle with him, but she is such a sweet girl. I do have to do a voiceover in these videos, so she is a Great Pyrenees, so she barks at everything. Everything that she sees is a threat. From a leaf to a person walking across the road, she wants to let them know to get away from her house. And sometimes the barking won't stop and she'll continue. And what I will do to calm her is I will call her over in a soft voice and reassure her that we are all okay, we are not in any danger, give her some love, and sometimes that will quiet her down. Other times she's just so high strung and wants to get rid of whatever it is that she sees outside that she doesn't want near her property. So we just have to kind of let her do what she's going to do. She is the kind of breed that wants to protect her house and her little farm, even though this is not an actual farm. But I don't know if she would actually be successful on the farm, though. She's like a princess Great Pyrenees, so she's very much into luxury, and she enjoys sleeping on the couch. She has a pillow. Sometimes she wants to be covered up, and she is a little bit of a human dog, is what I call her, with big human emotions. So I don't know how long she would last on an actual farm, but she does well protecting us, and that's all that counts.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day.
In order for me to be able to reach a lot of the things in my kitchen, I need to use a stool. The stool that I have, I built. I used the plans from Anna White. They're free plans, really easy to build if you're a beginner, and it's super sturdy. So I definitely suggest it if you have little ones and you need a stool, or even building them for a gift. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoyed building them. I've built a few of them and sold them as well, and so that's an idea. Now what I'm doing is I'm just filling up my little canister there that I have for my spices. I have a whole bunch of these. I got them from the dollar store, and I'm in Canada, so I don't know if they're available for you at the dollar store, but I got them from the dollar store, and I just made the labels using my Cricut machine. It was a lot of fun. I really love these jars because it fits the entire package of spices, so I don't have to keep an extra storage for the spices in the package.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
And we're coming to the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. If you like this video, please don't be shy and hit the like button. Leave me a comment and let me know if you liked it, if it gave you some motivation to get cleaning. I hope that it did. I hope that you subscribe and stick around, friends. I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Enjoy your week, and I hope your weekend was fantastic.